If your videos are getting impressions but almost no views, this video is for you. Because impressions mean YouTube is not ignoring you, it's actually testing you. And most creators misunderstand this phase completely, which is why they panic, change everything, or quit. In the next few minutes, you'll understand exactly why impressions don't turn into views, what YouTube is learning about your content, and how to fix this without chasing hacks. Stay till the end. The final tip is what most creators never realize. Tip 1. What impressions really mean. An impression simply means this: YouTube showed your video to someone. That's it. It does not mean YouTube expected a click. It means YouTube was curious. When your channel is small, impressions are not rewards, they are experiments. The algorithm is asking, if I show this to a few people, what happens? So impressions are not a failure signal, they are an early stage test. Tip 2. Why people don't click. Most creators assume no views means bad content. That's usually wrong. No views usually mean the promise was unclear. Your title and thumbnail didn't clearly answer, what will I gain from clicking this? Not how smart is this, not how much effort went into this, just what's in it for me. If viewers hesitate for even 1 second, they scroll. Tip 3. Why the algorithm starts with the wrong audience. In the beginning, YouTube doesn't know who your audience is, so it tests broadly. That means some people see your video who don't care, some see it but don't understand it, some scroll because it's not for them. This is normal. Low CTR early does not mean your idea is bad. It means YouTube is still mapping your audience. Tip 4. The biggest thumbnail mistake. Most thumbnails fail because they try to explain too much. More words equals more thinking. More thinking equals no click. Your thumbnail should create curiosity, not clarity. Clarity comes inside the video. That's why simple, emotional, minimal thumbnails work better than detailed ones in education channels, especially for education channels. Tip 5. Why titles kill clicks. Creators often write titles like explanations, but explanations are not clickable. People click on problems, tension, curiosity, unfinished thoughts. That's why your videos get impressions but no views works better than how the YouTube algorithm works. The algorithm doesn't click, people do. Tip 6. Why low CTR doesn't mean failure. Here's something most people don't know. YouTube does not expect high CTR from new channels. It expects learning. Your job early is not to maximize clicks, it's to reduce confusion. Same topic, same audience, same tone, same promise. When confusion goes down, CTR slowly goes up. Tip 7. What you should not do. This is important. Do not change niche every video, change thumbnail style daily, change titles after 1 hour, panic after 24 hours. Every sudden change resets learning. Consistency teaches YouTube. Randomness confuses it. Tip 8. The real fix. This is the key. Here's the mindset shift. Your video is not competing with all of YouTube. It's competing with scrolling. If your video promises clarity, understanding, or relief from confusion, people will click, slowly, consistently, over time. Impressions without views means YouTube is still deciding. Your job is to stay clear, not clever. Tip 9. Why the algorithm starts slow on purpose. YouTube is not slow by accident. It starts slow because pushing the wrong video to the wrong audience damages trust. Early impressions are low-risk tests, small sample sizes, quiet decisions. Creators mistake silence for rejection, but silence is safety. The algorithm would rather wait than make a bad recommendation. Tip 10. Why click is a human decision, not an algorithm one. The algorithm doesn't click your video. People do. That means logic doesn't always win, emotion does. If your title and thumbnail feel neutral, educational, or safe, people scroll. Scroll is the default behavior. Your job is to interrupt scrolling, not explain everything. Tip 11. Why your content is good but still not clicked. This is painful but common. Your content might be good, but it may not feel urgent. People don't click because something is correct. They click because something feels unresolved. Curiosity beats correctness every time. Tip 12. Why new channels should avoid complex ideas. Complex ideas are attractive to creators. Simple ideas are attractive to viewers. Early on, YouTube favors easy-to-understand problems. If viewers have to think too hard to understand what your video is about, they won't click. Simplicity is not weakness, it's strategy. Tip 13. Why retention matters more than CTR early. A click without watch time is worse than no click. YouTube would rather show your video to fewer people who stay than more people who leave quickly. That's why calm, clear explanations work better than hype. Retention tells YouTube, this content keeps people. Tip 14. Why changing thumbnails too often backfires. When you change thumbnails constantly, YouTube loses its baseline. It can't learn what works. It can't compare behavior. Early growth needs stable inputs. Test slowly, observe patiently. Let data accumulate. Tip 15. The patience rule most creators break. Here's the truth. Impressions turn into views after repetition, not optimization. Same topic, same promise, same tone. Eventually, the right audience finds you. Most creators quit right before alignment happens. At the end, most creators think impressions without views are rejection. They're not. They're evaluation. The algorithm is asking, is this worth showing to more people? Every clear upload answers that question better. If you're still listening, you're not failing. You're early. This channel exists to explain how platforms really work, without panic, without hype. More clarity is coming. Thanks for listening. If your videos are getting impressions but almost no views, this video is for you. Because impressions mean YouTube is not ignoring you, it's actually testing you. And most creators misunderstand this phase completely, which is why they panic, change everything, or quit. In the next few minutes, you'll understand exactly why impressions don't turn into views, what YouTube is learning about your content, and how to fix this without chasing hacks. Stay till the end. The final tip is what most creators never realize. Tip 1. What impressions really mean. An impression